What's the meaning of Budweiser? Budweiser. Budweiser.
Budweiser. Budweiser. Budweiser is a beer brand that originated in the United States and has become popular worldwide. The name Budweiser comes from the German word Budweis, which refers to a city in the Czech Republic where a similar style of beer is brewed. The brand has a long history dating back to the late 1800s, and has grown into one of the most recognizable beer brands in the world. The name Budweiser is synonymous with quality, taste, and a refreshing drinking experience. It is a brand that is beloved by many, and has stood the test of time thanks to its commitment to excellence and innovation in brewing.